What up, YouTube? This is Courtney. Welcome back to the channel, and I'm back again with another video today. Just stopped by the car wash to give that right there a car wash. Just on the way to the house, so it's gotten a little truck look a little dirty, so it's gonna wash it off real quick. All right, I'll get back with you guys. See ya. All right, we just got finished done washing the truck right there. It was a little dirty, so stopped at the car wash on the way home. So that's it. Appreciate you taking the time out to watch my video. Remember, like, subscribe to this video, and we'll talk to you later. All right, peace.